This is one of my local woodlands. I call it the Little Woods, and it's only a few minutes away from home. There isn't much fungal life on display here at this time of year. It is still somehow May, and spring is coiled, threatening to finally burst into summer. But I come nearly every day to check, just in case. Sometimes I wonder if I really am looking for mushrooms, or if that's just an excuse I use to get out and simply be amongst the trees. These steps here are often littered with gaudy splashes of sulphur tufts or glistening ink caps. They seem to really love the earth and board staircases which come standard issue with this kind of council-managed woodland. Later in the year, I expect to find dryad saddles growing on these trees, or overlooking the river from these trunks and stumps. And late winter, of course, will see these brambly patches erupt with scarlet elf cups. But not much of note today. When things do begin to appear, I shall of course share what I find on this channel, so remember to subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. For now though, it is just the sound of water, sunlight tinted green, the snuffle of badgers about their set, and a real sense of peace.